This is the Chaceef portable electric kettle in the seafoam green. This has a non-stick coating on the inside. So let's take a look at the inside. The inside of the kettle has this nice non-stick coating here. And then if you look around the edge here, there's a maximum fill line here. And then if you look at the inside of the lid here, it has this silicone gasket here and then the stainless steel on the inside in the middle there. And there is some holes there to release steam. And then of course there's a message there on the lid that says caution steam. And on the outside of the kettle, there's some instructions here and some warnings. Also right here, there is this rubber flap, and that's where you plug in your power cord. You'll notice that underneath the kettle, there are 3 rubber feet to protect your surface from scratches. So let's try it out. Let's fill this with water. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill it with water to the maximum fill line. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so let's go ahead and press the power button. Okay, so while it's heating, the initial color is blue, then it turns to amber during the second phase, and the final phase it turns to red. And while that's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and get my tea ready. Okay, the process has completed and it is now turned over to the keep warm setting. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and unplug it. After waiting 1 minute and making sure that there's no steam coming out, I'm ready to open it. I'm ready for my tea.